How to export and save video in VSDC Video Editor. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can export and save video in VSDC Video Editor. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're done editing your video, now if you want to export it, head towards the menu bar at the top. There you will find export project. You have to click on it. Now to export your video with the audio, here is this button that says export project. You have to click on it. Now click on continue, then click on yes. Now you have to select the location where you want to export or save your video to. For example, I will save it in my desktop. If you want to rename your file, you can do that and simply click on save. After that, the video will start exporting, and once the export is complete, there you will have an option as a folder or show in folder. Click on it and then you will find your video, or you will find your exported video right there. So that's the way to export and save video in VSDC Video Editor. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.